Hello everyone, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Life with Style. Warmly welcome, where we are about to embark on a journey through the world of timeless and trendy hairstyles for older women, especially for mature ladies. Today in this video, you can see very amazing hairstyle transformation for mature ladies. Age is just a number, and we firmly believe that looking and feeling your best at any age is a must. So dear viewers, if you like my channel and this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video with your friends who are ready to embrace their inner beauty through these top trending hairstyles for older women. So dear viewers, I will also share insights on how to adopt these hairstyles to special occasions, ensuring you are ready to shine at weddings, parties, and other memorable events. Plus, I will offer the advice on hair care and maintenance to keep my looks healthy and vibrant. So dear viewers, watch my video till end, because in this video I am going to showcase a variety of stunning hairstyles that are not only chic but also perfect for mature women who want to embrace their beauty and individuality, from short pixie cuts to graceful bob styles. I have curated a collection of the versatile looks that suit the different face shapes, hair types, and personal preferences. So dear viewers, keep watching and enjoy my whole video. So dear viewers, if you like my content about the fashion and hairstyles, then also comment me, because your comments are very valuable for me, because by your comments I can understand your opinions and your like and dislike about fashion and lifestyles. So dear viewers, in this video you can see all the valuable looks effortlessly, whether you are looking to add the volume. Thanks for watching.